Your world is not safe anymore. Your loved ones are at a constant threat from harmful electromagnetic radiation. This radiation is emitted by wireless electronic devices while you work or get entertained. You're always surrounded by electrosmog looming over you, causing you and your loved ones deadly ailments and illnesses. EMR is also emitted by factors outside of your control, such as mobile towers, high-tension wires, and IoT. It's time you take a stock of your surroundings. Presenting the EnviroChip, the ultimate protection 24/7 for all your electronic gadgets. The EnviroChip is available for mobiles, laptops, routers, smart TVs, baby monitors, tablets, and desktops. For ambient sources of radiation, both internal and external, we bring the EnviroGlobe, a unique solution that neutralizes the harmful effects of radiation in your surroundings. The EnviroGlobe covers an area of up to 300 square feet, charges once a week for 15 minutes under sunlight or a concentrated artificial source of light, keeping the EnviroGlobe within the distance of 2 feet. Keep the EnviroGlobe with you wherever you go. All our products have been tested and certified for their effectiveness and efficacy. Order your EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe today.